If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To print an existing sales form, first open the sales form you want to print. Then click the Print or Preview button in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. In the pop-up menu that appears, you will see a Print Later checkbox. You will also see a Print or Preview command and a Print Packing Slip command. To print the sales form, click the Print or Preview command to open a Print Preview window. Then either right-click the preview and select the Print command from the pop-up menu that appears, or click the Print icon in the PDF Previews toolbar to open a print dialog box that lets you print the form. If you cannot see the PDF preview or you cannot print, you can instead click the Download button in the toolbar at the bottom of the window to download a PDF copy of the sales form, which you can print from your computer using a PDF viewer like Adobe Acrobat Reader, for example. Note that clicking the Print button at the bottom of the preview window simply opens the preview in a new window or tab. After printing it, you can then click the Close button in the Print Preview window to close it. You can also print many sales forms at once using the Batch Actions button located at the top of the list on the Sales Transactions page. To open the Sales Transactions page, hover over the Sales or Invoicing link in the navigation bar, and then click the All Sales link in the side menu that appears to open that page in the area to the right. From the list of transactions, check the check boxes next to the items to print. Then click the Batch Actions button above the transactions list. Select the Print Transactions command from the drop-down menu that appears to open a new tab or window, which shows the forms you selected in a PDF viewer. After previewing them, click the Print icon or right-click a preview and select the Print command that appears to print the forms. When finished, close the tab or window to return to the Sales Transactions page. If prompted by QuickBooks Online to mark the selected transactions as printed in a dialog box that then appears in this page, you can click the Yes or No button as desired. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.